Facebook and Meta and Mark Zuckerberg has made it kind of easier for you to go in there and spend your money, of course, because they want you to pipe more money in there and start paying for the campaigns. Guys, I have probably 70 different campaigns running right now through various companies and my own personally. And it, you know, yes, I talk about organic content, but I use my organic that hits to put it on my paid campaigns, which is, you know, kind of working backwards in a way because I'm testing without spending money. Cold traffic, completely cold traffic. So when you're spending money on ads and you show up as a sponsored ad in somebody's timeline, nobody knows your company, period. Nobody knows who you are, where you've been, what the heck's going on. So when you get whacked with a roofing ad, you get whacked with an impact windows ad, landscaping ad, a kitchen cabinet ad, a outdoor luxury company ad. They go to your ad, they fill out your form, they don't know who you are. So we're going to talk about a little bit how organic content can completely change that. It's a high cost per lead. In your industry, it's anywhere from $25 to $75, $120, depending on what campaign you're running and what ads you're posting and what hooks you're using. And it requires no idea value that we can offer. There's results or guarantees behind everything. And if anybody wants my personal information or my business card to find out more, all you guys have to do is scan this right here and you'll get my business card. Send me a message on WhatsApp saying all in, and I'll reach out to you guys next week and we'll schedule a 15-minute to 30-minute strategy call to see how much I can help you guys out. Hey, Alberti, thank you so much. Thank you for everybody that helped put this together, guys. Hey,